Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Naadia if you're new here, and welcome to my first ever weekly vlog. Typically I do like weekend vlogs or like just day vlogs. I've never done like a weekly one, so I said we're gonna experiment and see how I like it. Anyway, this week I feel like is gonna be super duper busy just because we have our engagement shoot this weekend. And then we also have just like regular life and work and stuff like that. So right now I was on the way to drop off these two dresses to get altered for Saturday. I know I'm cutting it really close. Fingers crossed. I don't know. I never get stuff altered. Usually I just like find a way to make it work, but these dresses are just not going to work unless they're professionally altered. So yeah. I need to get that done. Anyway, Xavier sent me to some place that he's had his like stuff altered before, and they are super closed. Not like because of the holiday, but like they are closed, out of business. And I have an Orange Theory class at noon, and it's like 12:30 right now. So I'm not going to have time to go anywhere else, which I really wanted to do because I'm going to be sweaty and gross. And then I have to go to the grocery store like right after the gym to pick up some things. So I'm just going to have to go later on this evening, I guess. Like I'll go home, probably like eat lunch and shower, and then try to find some place that I can get it altered, I guess. Yeah, but anyway, so like I said, I'm on my way to my Orange Theory class. I'll be there a little bit early, but it's in like a shopping center, so I might pop into Forever 21 really quick to see if I need any like last minute things for this photo shoot, because I feel like I wrote like a mini list of a couple things I wanted to get. So yeah, well, I will catch you guys after the gym. I just had a killer freaking workout. Hold on. This is not the best place to prop you guys up, but it's okay because I'm parked. I just burned 500 active calories and 583 calories. My average heart rate was 162, and it's usually 156, so that means I really pushed myself. And yeah, that felt really good. I traveled last week. So I only worked out twice last week, and I like shoot for like 4 days a week. So it feels really good to be back in the gym. And yeah, so now I'm going to run home, shower, eat lunch. I'm not going to go to the grocery store anymore. Xavier called me. I don't need to do it right now. So I'll probably do that later this evening maybe. But for now, I'm going to go get some lunch, shower, go to the alterations place. We'll find an alterations place and go there, and then go get my nails done. It's kind of early to get them done. I'd rather get them done closer to the photo shoot, but you know, when they're like super grown out and you keep like hurting yourself or like breaking them, or they're bending back and they're getting caught in your hair, we're at that point in life. My nails haven't been done like before Christmas, and it is very late. Wow, that's been a long time. It's very late into December. So I desperately need to get my nails done and a pedicure. So I'm just gonna do that today, because I feel like the later it gets into the week and you don't do like the little task, like you leave them for the end of the week and then you just stressed, okay? And I don't want to be that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay guys, so update with the freaking alteration. Okay, so the first place I went to, I really liked how she was gonna alter it, and I get to the like to the checkout or whatever, and she's like, yeah, so it's gonna be $200. And I'm like, girl, these were from Fashion Nova with a whole discount code attached to whatever the price of the dress was. So I mean, you know, I didn't pay that much for these dresses for it to be $200 worth of alterations. However, at this point, like, I know I'm playing with my own life right now by like how close I'm cutting it to these pictures. So I was like, whatever, go for it. My credit card doesn't go through. I never have issues with my credit card. So she ran it 3 times, didn't go through. So I'm like, I'm just going to take this as a sign from God that this is not the one. this is not the alteration shop for me. So I go literally like a mile up the street. I try it on. They do their thing or whatever. Guess how much they were going to charge me? $28. I'm like, what? So clearly the lady was like trying to get over on me. And it would have worked because I felt like that was my only option in that moment. Okay, next frustration. They're like, okay, let's sign you up, blah, blah, blah. Oh, we only take cash. Ciao. I don't know if my lady stuff is about to come, but I am like on 10 irritated. So I literally had to leave the shop to go get cash. And yeah, I feel like what business doesn't take cash? I mean, like credit cards or whatever. But anywho, that's an update for you. The lesson of this, no, the moral of this story is do your shiznai like well ahead of time so you don't have to be like settling for less and like rushing trying to do stuff. But anyway, it'll all work out, and I'm trying to, like, I just got grouchy out of nowhere. I'm not even gonna flex. Like, I'm a grouchy little turd right now. So I'm in the parking lot of you can see like the little ATM right there. So got my cash. I'm gonna go back, pay for it, drop the freaking dresses off, and just be done with it. And then I'm gonna go get my nails and stuff done. And I'm gonna have some wine. I'm gonna have some wine while I'm at the nail shop. So I will check you guys later. Today is Tuesday, January 18th, and I am on my way to a showing for 9 o'clock. Lighting is horrible. But, yeah, so on my way to a showing. It's about half an hour from here. It's just a video tour, which is why I'm literally in, like, sweatpants. Well, not sweatpants, but, like, workout clothes. Because I am gonna go to the gym for noon again today, and so yeah, I'm gonna go to the grocery store because I didn't go yesterday evening. I'm gonna go to the grocery store after I do this video tour, and then probably have a super light, quick breakfast situation, and then head to the gym for noon. So that is an overview of my morning today. Guys, it is Wind Down Wednesday. My favorite show comes on today. It's called Married at First Sight. And this is a tradition that Xavier and I started, like, how long ago?
During quarantine, so it's about 2019.
Since 2019, because you know, Married at First Sight does not miss a season. So every Wednesday when the new episode comes on, I usually cook like a super like fattening meal, or not fattening, but just like a less clean meal, I'll say. And I drink wine and have dessert, and I just made it an excuse to just be a bad girl in the middle of the week. So that's what today is. We did flatbread pizzas. They were so good. What do you think of them?
It was fire, like amazing. So
What did you do on yours?
I had just pepperoni with a little truffle butter on it.
Okay.
Just a little hint of truffle butter.
Little dab on them. I did like a tomato mozzarella chicken sausage and spinach, and then the sauce I did half like pizza sauce, half Alfredo, because I don't really like a bunch of like red sauce stuff, but it was really good. Red wine and a got a ding dong, a Valentine's Day ding dong. So yeah, Wind Down Wednesday is in full effect. What's up, guys? Happy Friday. As you can see, I just got my hair done. I got it done at A Touch of Elegance Salon and Suites in Arlington, Texas. And the owner actually did my hair today. She did such a great job. I love it. It's super like healthy looking, light and airy. She did a really good steam treatment with like a deep conditioner on it. So I think she did an amazing job. Super excited because we also talked about possibly doing a weave. Again, part 2. I've had it done once before and I really didn't get the proper hair. I thought I did, but it was not it. So I didn't really care for it that much, but she gave me like all the inside scoop on her hair, coloring, like all the things. So that'll probably be my next hair project, but super excited. I got a spray tan yesterday. I forgot to film it, but I went to the Slim Pod and I got a spray tan. I don't spray tan my face just because I don't think it looks too hot. I rather just match my foundation to it, but yeah, gotta get like my glow on for these pictures. I've got a sexy pimple patch on. You always get pimples and stuff like when you've got something big happening, and that's exactly what happened. So I don't care. I'm drying this pimple out any means necessary, and if that means wearing a pimple patch in public, so be it. But anyway, I'm actually gonna go, like, I'm so excited about this weave. There's a store in Arlington that she purchases her hair from, so I just want to like pop in and see what they have. And she really trusts the vendors and all that stuff, so I just want to go see what they have. I'm not going to purchase anything today, but I am like very curious because last time I was like trying to search for hair, I was in the deep dark web and I was trying to find hair that matched mine perfectly already, and I'm just very new to wearing fake hair, so I'm like excited. I just want to go see what they have, so I'll see you there.
Okay, so I don't think I said this earlier, but that evening we were going to a party that one of my friends was hosting, and they were doing a cocktail wars party, or just like seeing who could make the best cocktail. So this is me at the liquor store, and then once I got home I decided I wanted to taste the drink and make sure it was okay, and this is me trying it out. I ended up going with a prickly pear passion fruit margarita, and it actually came out really good, so yeah.
This is my prickly pear margarita. Try it. Guys, we are on our way to the party. My honey.
Yeah, it's cold out here.
It's cold. I've got on literally like a t-shirt dress. Oh, this way. And he's a trooper. So I told you guys this is like a cocktail wars party, and he's literally holding like a freaking Kool-Aid pitcher of cocktail for me while we walk. We are in downtown Fort Worth right now. So Farrah, Isaiah, here we come. Yes.
You working? That's the Lord, baby.
This is serious business.
Shout out God. Shout out the Lord, huh? And then we're gonna get her ready like that, and cute vibes only.
Yes.
Shout
love
out.
it. Cheers.
Luke.
Cheers.
Boom, boom.
This is so cute. Dave's chicken.
Take a shot and make a TikTok, bitch. Fuck it up. Take a shot and make a TikTok, bitch. Fuck it up. Take a shot and make a TikTok, bitch. Make a TikTok, bitch. Make a TikTok, bitch. Take a shot and make a TikTok.
Alright guys, so we just left Farrah and Isaiah's party. It was so much fun. We got second place in the cocktail contest. All the drinks were like so good. Like we had everything from like mezcal. Yeah, we was popping. We got second place. But we had everything from like mezcal to like coffee drinks. It was a lot of fun. We got to meet a lot of new people. We don't come to Dallas very often unless we're like hanging out with Farrah. Fort Worth. We don't come to Fort Worth very often unless we're hanging out with like Farrah or Isaiah. So it was a good time. We were in downtown Fort Worth, so that was a vibe. It was a vibe or whatever. And the area that they had the party in was super cool. It's called WeWorks, I think. And it's basically like a space that business people rent out. I don't even know. It was like super cool. You guys saw the clips. It was an area that they like have a monthly subscription to or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, it was a great time, and I'm gonna close the vlog out here. This was like a random week in my life. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more weekly vlogs, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, because tomorrow I will be vlogging some more. We are doing our engagement photo shoot. How do you feel?
I'm ready. You know, I got a fresh cut. You know, I got my beard lined up. So
Period.
yeah, we're gonna get some good flicks in tomorrow. That's gonna be.
It is the engagement photo shoot, though. Doesn't that just make it that
official.
much more real that we are getting married?
It's making it official. Y'all stay tuned for the save the dates we're gonna be sending out to y'all. So
Yes.
we're excited.
Yes. So anyway, stay tuned, and I will resume vlogging tomorrow, like I said.